Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn off mentions and replies notification on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device, then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on settings and privacy. After that, tap on notifications. Next, tap on preferences. Then tap on push notification. After that, you can see the option of mentions and replies. Tap on it. Next, tap on off. So this is how you can turn off mentions and replies notification on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.